3-minute Friday, maximum information in the shortest amount of time. Let's get started. You know, in Gao Ying, the inchworm technique is at least as how I understand it. You almost reach full draw and then you inch back. So you make sure that you don't collapse. You always go a little backward and then you snap your fingers open. You come to almost full draw and then you still go back and then, you know, bing, inchworm. Of course you need to effort, you know. Now, of course, it can happen that your bow, let's say this bow draws now 30 inches and it gets really stacking at 30 inches and you come there and you maybe overdo it or something and you force your bow to where the bow doesn't want to go. And with this snappy motion, when it's not well done, look what the string is doing. So I had now this idea of kind of a reverse inchworm technique, which means you have your thumb on your middle finger. This is your lock. Where are we? So, yeah, and you draw back, and then while you go back, you open your thumb, leaving it on the index finger until the string slips out. For this you might need some protection here. I try this now, maybe you see the difference. My lock is here, okay, this is my lock. I draw, and now I reach my full draw and I go forward with the thumb, like this. I simply slide forward, while I go back with my hand. So the string and the arrow stays in the same position. I move back, but I move the thumb forward. I hope if anybody will understand what I mean. Again, I come to full draw and now I just let my thumb go, so I don't force my thumb open to this L or whatever, we know that. I simply slide forward. Thumb locks on the middle finger. Now I draw back, see, and now I make my thumb straight, dip, like this, alongside the middle finger, chick, and this is my release, so I don't open here. It's more like the pinch draw, you know, when you have pinch draw, the string slips, and this is kind of like first you lock, and then it's like a pinch draw. Ding! Get the point? I lock, as usual, but my thumb locks on the middle finger. Now I draw back, and now I don't remove my thumb, I simply slide forward. With a thumb ring it's not so easy, but I think it's doable. Works, so chunk, gives the string less chance of being pushed sideways, if you know what I mean. And the grouping is better, so I simply let like pinch draw. But doesn't matter, you simply try. If it works for you, it's nice. If not, it's nice too. So I simply, when I let go, I simply slide with the ring forward on my middle finger, like this. See, and then my hand is still together. There is not a big movement. I don't need to. It's not bad. It has something. You need to try it for yourself. String twist with this version. Works nice too. So I don't open. I just slide forward until the string comes out. This is like when you have a Kyoto glove, you turn your wrist until the string slips out of this groove. And here you push your thumb forward while you pull backwards. Has something. So, but of course, I think now I figured out something new. But when I post the video, then they will tell you we do this since years. It's kind of reverse inchworm technique, of course. Of course, you're telling me now with a weak poundage bow it's easy. Let's see how it does with a 53 pound in full draw, the pretty Griffin, and with a thumb ring. Almost Robin Hooded the other arrows. So it gets a little that you get used to it because it feels a bit like a shallow hook then at the end. Nice. Even better. Cool. Look at this, it's hilarious. So the arrows fly straight. Not here, bang, bang, or marble flick. No, you stay there with your thumb and you simply slide forward. Of course, the ring is on it, you slide forward because string is behind. You lock it and then you simply slide forward while you go back with your elbow and the string, boom, comes out. Hilarious. And there's another really nice group directly out of the box. So the sliding thumb while your elbow goes back. So this stays in position. So the thumb here, the arrow stays in position, and while you bring your elbow back, you bring your thumb forward. So it's not that you collapse the shot, you know, that you don't move your elbow, because then you would collapsing. You still go a little back this inchworm. You go this 1 inch back, but the thumb stays there, or the arrow or the string stays there. Try it out and let me know in the comment section below how it is for you. It's like the pinch draw. When you pinch draw, whoop, the arrow goes straight. You don't have any string oscillation sideways. And here the same. You lock it, boom, and you let it go straight forward. Because when you open this, the string can always, but you get the point. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.